Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single day, from now until Christmas Day at 4 p.m., because it's the 2025 Christmas Spectacular. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and if you'd like to know when I go live, click that bell notification button. All right. Today, we have pigs in a blanket with a whiskey BBQ sauce, a perfect dish to bring to any gathering or office party. And the barbecue sauce is real easy to do. What we have here is roughly 2 cups of ketchup, and we're going to add about a half a tablespoon of salt and freshly ground black pepper. And then you want to have a tablespoon of onion powder. And then a teaspoon of garlic powder. Followed by about a 1/4 cup of tomato paste. Followed by a 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. Followed by a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Then we want to add 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. Then a half a cup of light brown sugar. And then finally 3 cups of bourbon. I used a Maker's Mark to be specific. And then give everything a good stir. Then over about a medium-low heat, you want to simmer this, stirring occasionally, for 1 hour. And then take it off the heat and allow it to cool to room temperature. Okay, now let's make our pigs in the blanket. As you can see here, I have some crescent dough that I've taken apart, and then I cut the bigger triangles into little triangles. And I'm rolling up some cocktail wieners. You can find these at any local grocery store. And then you want to bake these in an oven at 400 degrees for, I believe, about 10 minutes. Follow whatever's on the package directions, or until they are golden brown. All right, let's skip ahead in time. All right, thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, our pigs in the blanket are done. We're just going to give them a couple of minutes to cool down, and then we'll be ready for serving. All right, we've got some pigs in the blanket on a plate. As you can see there, got a little bowl. And then we just want to take that barbecue sauce we made and put it in there. And that is pigs in a blanket with a whiskey barbecue dipping sauce. Done.